All right, we're at a luxury ryokan in Gunma Prefecture in Japan called Bettei Senjuan. You can see it's very quite stylish. And this ryokan has 18 rooms and was established in 1997. It's an annex property. The original ryokan, still around, a bigger one called Ryokan Tanigawa. And so this was created as a special luxury annex property. Bettei Senjuan. They said 18 rooms. And so we're walking down this hallway towards the room. We are in a room called Special Room SP, or 特別室 SP. So Gunma Prefecture is just east of Niigata. And it's known for many things, especially the Onsen. And this is one of the onsen areas called Tanigawa Onsen, which is inside Minakami Machi. Gunma is best known. The best known onsen place is called Kusatsu Onsen, but this is also one of the places where a lot of people travel to have a good time. Room 108, Shaku Nugget, Special Room SP, the top room on site. There are two special rooms, or tokubetsu shitsu as they say, and this is the top of the top. So we enter here. I don't know the square footage, square meter of this place. It's not advertised, but as you will see, it is plenty spacious. Stylish entryway with the hallway. Nice little decorations abound in this room. See, there's a little rock covered now with a step and glass because there's a little bit too, for people who aren't quite sure-footed, it could be a bit of a challenge. All right, so you then turn around. What's nice about this place is there are two bathrooms. First one is right here. Bathroom meaning toilets. There's one. And over here, it's a nice little nook and cranny. You can see a lot of ceramics used for tea and tea ceremony. So if you turn around, this is what's called a chashitsu, or tea room. It's where you perform tea rituals or tea ceremony. Okay. Not that you would do it if you're here, but it's one of the traditional aspects of a ryokan, or for the ultimate hospitality during the olden days. Here is a little inner courtyard with a small garden. You have natural light coming in from up above. I don't think we can see all the way up there, but I don't know if it's open air or not, but it's natural light, so let's close that. Coming around this way, you have the second bathroom. So it's nice to have two. Okay, so then this is the hallway to the various main rooms. So this is where they would roll out the futon where you sleep at night. So this room does not have a Western style bed, a static bed. Here's the main sitting area. And then this is where you sit to enjoy the view. And so out here, we're at the very tail end of the what they call koyo, or the autumn leaves, otherwise known as the fall foliage season. You can see in the background that there's a well-known mountain called Mount Tanigawa behind the leaves of the trees. So this is a corner unit, has the utmost in privacy. And so let's finish off the room exploration. This is the main living room, TV. You can see really nicely styled ceiling art. And so this is where they would come out with roll out the futon at night. And this is where they actually store the futon. This is a closet where you can hang your clothes and put your rollerboard there. And then down here, they have the yukata robes as well as the samue, which are more casual outfits that Buddhist monks typically wear while they're working. So you can wear that, either one, around the property, during meals, what have you. Okay, so, and then here's the mini bar area. I won't go into detail on what's in there. And here is the wash basin, dual sink, and then this is the thing. This is before you go in the hot springs, the onsen. This is the shower. What's nice about it is that the rock floors are heated, and even here you can sit and it's nice and warm. And then once you heat up, warm up, and clean up, there is an outdoor open air hot springs bath. So here you go. This is the onsen in the room. It's they get the hot springs, they bored into the ground, underground, very close to here, near where the parking lot is. So it's their own. And I'm trying to find my footing because it's kind of wet around here. I want to show Mount Tanigawa. But anyways, here's the private view from the bath. And let's get a better view of Mount Tanigawa. Can you zoom in a little bit? This area is known also for its ski resorts. But there's a lot of summer activities. And of course the hot springs are very nice. So this is our private garden. Immaculately kept. And then let's turn around and give a final view of this special room, SP Shakunage. Zoom out a little bit. Here is the onsen. Very nice, eh? So, special room SP, 特別室 SP, room 108, the top room in this Ryokan, Bettei Senjuan, room 108 in Tanigawa Onsen in Minakami Machi, Gunma Prefecture, Japan. Hope you enjoyed.